Hello everybody, it's nice to see you. To start off today, I'd like to shake your hands. Shake them down low, then all the way up, and all the way back down again, and all the way up, and all the way back down again. And then put your shoulders up like this, and be the old horse. Shoulders up. One more time, shoulders up. Then with your shoulders, I want you to make smooth ring donuts. Rolling them forward, nice and smoothly. And backwards. Smooth ring donuts. Now I want you to imagine that you've just got up today, but it's really cold outside and you don't really want to get out of bed. So you're going to do the biggest yawn and stretch that you've ever done in your life. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. And you're going to look in the mirror and go, You're going to make your face as tiny as you can. And then make your face as big as you can. Tiny face. And then you're going to get your toothbrush and go. Just don't forget right at the back. How about your tongue? Okay, get some water. Very good. Okay, now I want you to say these sounds back to me. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Nya 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 nya. Nya 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 nya. Nya 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 nya. Nya 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 nya. Wee! Yeah yeah yeah. Ooh! Yo yo yo. Yeah yeah yeah. Yo yo yo. Boom cha boom boom cha. Boom cha boom boom cha. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 hey. Ho 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 hey. Okay, everybody, I'm going to say the rhyme, I hear thunder, so you can say it back to me. Or you can join in with the beat, or you can even join in with the bass down there, if you want to when that comes in. Ready? Off we go. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Hark, don't you? Hark, don't you? Pitter-patter raindrops. Pitter-patter raindrops. I'm wet through. So are you. I hear thunder, dum, dum. I hear thunder, dum, dum. Hark, don't you? Dum, dum. Hark, don't you? Dum, dum. Pitter-patter raindrops, dum, dum. Pitter-patter raindrops, dum, dum. I'm wet through, dum, dum. So are you, dum, dum. Okay, this is a really simple rhyme called Copycat. And as you might guess from the name, it's all about copying. So I'll teach you the rhyme first. Ready? Copycat, copycat. Sitting on the doormat. That's it. End of the rhyme. This time, can you say it at the same time as me? Off we go. Copycat, copycat, sitting on the doormat. Copycat, copycat, sitting on the doormat. Very good. So we repeat this rhyme a lot, but I'm going to be doing some different actions along with the rhyme, and you've got to copy me and keep up with whatever actions I'm doing. So let's start with your hands on your knees. Ready? And say the rhyme. Off we go. Copycat, copycat, sitting on the doormat. 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 Very good, well done. That's an easy game you can play with somebody at home. Say the copycat rhyme and they've got to copy your actions. Do you remember our song Hi, Lo Chica Lo from last time? See if you can do it along with me. We start with our hands on our head and we sing Hi, Lo Chica Lo, Chica Lo, Chica Lo. Hi, Lo Chica Lo, Chica Lo, hi. Very good. This time if I sing it, can you do the actions in the right places? Up here for high, down here for low, in the middle for Chica-lo. Okay, I'll watch. I'll sing it, you do the actions. Ready? High, low, Chica-lo, Chica-lo, Chica-lo. High, low, Chica-lo, Chica-lo, high. Well done if you got all the actions in the right place. Now today I want to teach you another game that you can play with this song, and you will need a partner. Oh, Mrs. Kinmans, I need you. Okay, so when you've got your partner, the first thing you need to do is hold hands like you're shaking hands. Just like that. And then, for the part where you say hi in the song, you clap your hands up high. When it says low, you clap your hands down low. And when it says chica, you do it twice in the middle. Okay? Let's see if we can do it. Ready? Off we go. High, low, chica, low, chica, low, chica, low. High, low, chica, low, chica, low, high. Yes!
Yeah.
High five. Okay, I'd like to do a nice silly song to finish off this half term. It's called One Finger, One Thumb, Keep Moving. Maybe your parents might know it. I certainly learnt it when I was at school. It goes like this. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. We'll all be merry and bright. Now you might have heard some body parts in that. One finger and one thumb. So if it says keep moving, you've got to keep those body parts moving. And then some more might be added on like this. One finger, one thumb, one arm, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one arm, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one arm, keep moving. We'll all be merry and bright. So then you'd need to move one finger, one thumb, and one arm, and keep them moving. Okay? So listen out in the song, see if you can join in with me, because it's the same tune every time, but we add one more action that you need to do. So, show me one finger, show me one thumb, ready, and off we go. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. We'll all be merry and bright. One finger, one thumb, one arm, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one arm, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one arm, keep moving. We'll all be merry and bright. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, keep moving. We'll all be merry and bright. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, one nod of the head, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, one nod of the head, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, one nod of the head, keep moving. We'll all be merry and bright. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, one nod of the head. Sit down, stand up, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, one nod of the head. Sit down, stand up, keep moving. One finger, one thumb, one arm, one leg, one nod of the head. Sit down, stand up, keep moving. We'll all be merry and bright. Whew, that is hard work, that song. I think we all need a nice big rest. Well done, everybody. Take care, and I'll see you soon.